Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most refined and futuristic sedans to hit the market, the 2026 Toyota Crown. This vehicle isn't just a car. It's a statement of what modern luxury, hybrid performance, and sleek design should feel like. Let's take a full tour of the 2026 Toyota Crown and see if this flagship sedan really lives up to its heritage and bold design promise. As we begin with the first impression, the new Toyota Crown demands attention with its sleek and elongated silhouette. The front end immediately stands out with a dominating wide grille that now features a chrome-accented mesh design, inspired by luxury European sedans but refined in Toyota's own clean and confident styling. The LED headlights are thinner and sharper than before, stretching into the fenders with a blade-like profile, giving the front a cutting-edge appearance. Daytime running lights form a striking signature, while the new Toyota emblem sits proud and centered on the grille, now illuminated in some trims for added drama. The hood has subtle creases, adding more sculpted depth, and there's a lower front lip that improves aerodynamics and enhances the car's sporty presence. Now coming to the side profile, the Crown exudes a long, almost coupe-like appearance despite being a four-door sedan. The roofline gently curves towards the rear, contributing to the car's elegant fastback-inspired look. The windows are wrapped in satin chrome trim, giving it a premium vibe. The character line flows cleanly from the front fender all the way to the rear tail lights, emphasizing its stretched body proportions. The 20-inch alloy wheels, finished in dark chrome or gloss black, depending on the trim, perfectly fill the wheel arches. There's also a subtle black cladding along the lower doors, adding a hint of ruggedness to what is otherwise a smooth and sophisticated side view. The flush door handles and frameless mirrors further enhance the aerodynamic design. Looking at the rear, the back end is wide and bold. A full-width LED light bar runs across the trunk, connecting both tail lights and forming a futuristic red glow when lit at night. The Toyota Crown badging sits cleanly just below the light bar in brushed metal finish. Below that, the rear bumper features dual exhaust tips integrated within a black diffuser design, giving it a sport luxury crossover appeal. The rear glass is steeply raked, matching the sleek roofline, and a subtle lip spoiler is built into the trunk lid. There's no unnecessary clutter, just clean and modern lines that make the back of the Crown look as stylish as its front. Once you step inside the cabin, you're greeted with a blend of modern technology and premium comfort. The dashboard layout is wide and minimalistic, dominated by dual 12.3-inch displays, one for the instrument cluster and the other for the infotainment system. Toyota's latest multimedia software is faster, smarter, and now includes over-the-air updates, wireless Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto as standard. The center console is finished in brushed aluminum and piano black trims, with a floating design that offers storage space beneath it. Premium materials surround you, soft-touch leather on the doors, ambient lighting with customizable colors, and available real wood or aluminum trims depending on the configuration. The front seats are ventilated, heated, and power-adjustable with memory functions, wrapped in high-grade leather with intricate stitching. In the rear, there's generous legroom and headroom thanks to the car's extended wheelbase, and higher trims come with reclining rear seats, a center control pad, and even rear seat climate control. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Crown offers two strong hybrid powertrain options. The standard setup is a 2.5-liter four-cylinder hybrid system producing around 236 horsepower, paired with an ECVT and all-wheel drive. This setup is smooth, quiet, and highly fuel-efficient, ideal for daily commuting or long-distance cruising. But the real performer is the Hybrid Max system available in the Platinum trim. It combines a turbocharged 2.4-liter engine with dual electric motors, pushing out an impressive 340 horsepower and offering torque-rich acceleration that feels surprisingly quick for a sedan of this size. The ride is refined and well-balanced, thanks to adaptive variable suspension that adjusts in real time. Steering is precise, body roll is minimal, and the Crown feels composed whether you're gliding on the highway or navigating tight city streets. And despite all that power, Toyota has managed to maintain excellent fuel economy. with the base model achieving over 40 mpg combined and the Hybrid Max returning a solid 30 mpg combined, which is still commendable for a performance hybrid. In terms of pricing, the 2026 Toyota Crown starts at around $42,000 for the XLE base model. Step up to the Limited and you're looking at about $47,000. The top-of-the-line Platinum trim with the Hybrid Max system starts around $53,000. Optional packages like the panoramic roof, premium audio system by JBL, advanced safety systems, and digital rearview mirror can push the price closer to $60,000, still competitive for what it offers in terms of performance, features, and design. If you're considering the 2026 Crown, here's what I'd suggest. If your focus is on daily driving, smooth comfort, and efficiency, the XLE or Limited trims are excellent choices. They offer everything you'd expect from a luxury sedan with the bonus of Toyota's legendary reliability. But if you want a bit more thrill and you don't mind spending a bit extra, the Platinum trim with Hybrid Max is the true standout. It delivers luxury, performance, and technology all in one confident package. So to wrap it up, the 2026 Toyota Crown is a masterclass in blending tradition with innovation. It brings a bold design, a tech-rich interior, and hybrid performance into a market that's crying out for something unique and stylish. It doesn't follow trends, it sets them. Whether you're upgrading from a Camry or stepping into Toyota luxury for the first time, the new Crown is absolutely worth a test drive. That's all for today's deep dive. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update on the latest cars. Drop your thoughts about the 2026 Crown in the comments. Would you buy it? Or are you still waiting for something else? Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.